Today in front of me Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to connection section. You will see down here the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate Wi-Fi you should click on the switcher on top to Wi-Fi section and tap on the switcher here to activate Wi-Fi on your device. After that, you'll see here all the available networks and now you can select one from the available networks, enter the password. If you want to see this password, you should click here to this eye icon to have no some mistakes. I'll enter it out of screen. So after that, just tap to connect. Wait a second and we can see that we're just successfully connected to this network. If you wanna you can select also more networks, enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that just switch between them when you'll get, for example, poor internet connection with this network. So just to turn off the Wi-Fi you should also use the switcher. Also we get one more way how we can activate Wi-Fi. We should first open notification panel shortcuts, then you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just click on the icon to activate Wi-Fi. To turn it off you should also tap to this Wi-Fi icon. To launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and by the same way you can select one from these available networks. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.